U District Governor Rotarian Sukhminder Singh haka arpu pratering ulawan jureb yak Rotary Club Juwai haka jingalang kabalalong ha CTC Orchid Thatlasken. Haka nigas ngila dan lang ru u Assistant Governor Rotarian Pradeep G. Pillai, u President ka Rotary Club Juwai Rotarian ER Lalu PHF, Vice President Rotarian SK Lato, Rotarian JM Posngap PHF, nalor ki wei ka ka Rotary Club Juwai. Haka nigas ngila sam sernat ru syaki prangut ki dekat ka Rotary Club Juwai, kum ka jing itu ya usenyang jongki syaka trust Rotary Fund. U President ka Rotary Club Juwai Rotarian ER Lalu PHF haka jingkran matpang ulaong ka jingwan jong u District Governor ka long ka jingkar ku baka jing a jingmod ya ki dekat ka Rotary Club Juwai, banya peliu jingmod haka bayade bat ki babon ki kam nakabenta ban syakri kambhai ki patba bat ka imlang salang. Ula batai ru halor ki babon ki kamban kentiu ya ka imlang salang ki ba ka Rotary Club Juwai kalale nak benta ka imlang salang.
The beautiful projects you have done and the beautiful hospitality I am enjoying. Thank you, Rotarian Lato, for giving us the key of the beautiful room that without paying any money. I don't think he will charge me or not. Thank you very much. But all the speakers sitting over here, they spoke, but I will be more happy if you interact with me. Rather, I can spoke one-sided speech, so I feel it would be better if you interact with me. If you ask me questions, where you are struggling, what you are expecting from the district, from the Rotary, your expectations as a Rotarian, or your suggestions towards us to make Rotary more vibrant. So everything is welcome. So I would be more happy if you please raise your questions to me. Being a leader, your role is always like love of a mother and discipline of a father. Very simple. Love of a mother. What mother do? Mother will sacrifice everything for their child. Mother is the place where the child feel comfortable. Mother is the place where everyone feel that if they have done anything wrong, that would be erased by their mother. So the role of president is like that, father and mother. And we all the Rotarians are like a family. We have to communicate with each other. Technology is good for communication, for passing the informations only. But technology is not good for a healthy discussion. My suggestion is always connect the people. Always call the people. Always reach out the people. If any member is absent for a long period, reach to that member and have a cup of tea or coffee at his home and feel him comfortable, feel him the importance that the member are missing him or her. So that is the simple way you can make. If you feel your club is a family, then your club will definitely become a vibrant club. There are all other aspects are there, but this is the simplest thing by which we can come closer. because I do believe always service is a part, but fellowship, fellow feelings is the first thing where Rotary started its journey. So we should know each other. That is very important. And always try to have a strategic plan. Member satisfaction survey. What your members want. What your members are looking for as a Rotarian. Please try to understand that one. Sometimes we feel that this is the way we can communicate, but the members think differently because you have many young members too in your club. Serious meetings, avoid serious meetings. Be very friendly meetings, funful meetings, so that the people feel comfortable in the club meeting. And that meeting should be communicate with each other, not like the professor is sitting over the chair and students are sitting over it. Rotary, if the member is transferring from this place, there is a provision that he or she can join another Rotary club where they are going. Okay. Number two, understanding is very important. As I told earlier, that membership satisfaction survey is very important. What Ashish wants. I have spent 30 years, 40 years in Rotary. Ashish joins just 1 year back. So my thought process and his thought process is completely different. We have to accept. How we make friends with a child. If you want to hug a child, so how you can do that one? You have to become a child. Then only you can be friendly with that child. Otherwise, that child will run away from you and run towards his parents. So understanding is very important. You have to understand this member has come, what he wants. What we want, that is not important. What they want, that is more important. And one more thing, I have observed that many of the members, senior members, they feel, I am not talking about your club. They feel what I understand, what we understand, that is very important. If a new member has many things to share, they have many stories to tell, they have many new ideas to share. If they want to share, immediately I reciprocate, okay, you sit down, you know more Rotary, then you will speak out. You don't know the decorum of the Rotary. This kind of things will definitely discourage that member to speak again. Give them the opportunity. They will do the mistakes. Allow them to do the mistakes. When they will do the mistakes, they will make them correct. Best time to learning is when you are doing mistakes. The best time to learning is when you are doing mistakes. And the best time in the life is when you are facing the challenges. So that's my observation. Please allow them to speak out. Give them responsibility. They will do the mistake. Allow them to do the mistakes. And give them to raise their voice. So that your role, as I can see many senior Rotarians sitting over here, your role is like an eraser. They are the pencils. They will write down. They will do the mistakes. And as an eraser, you will wipe up those mistakes. and again they will do the mistakes. Again you will wipe up those mistakes. That is your role.